Long Island is increasing the number of COVID testing sites in order to try to slow the spread.
This comes as police reveal another potential super spreader party involving hundreds of young people. CBS 2's Jennifer McLogan reports from Brookhaven.
500 partygoers invited to this sprawling estate in Brookhaven. Police called after midnight Monday as 911 calls from worried neighbors flooded in, including from the property owner who had rented his Castle Lake home.
We were able to break this party up when a lot of people were still in their cars, so we reduced their opportunity to expose themselves to each other. We averted a real potential super spreader event.
We're not going to allow people to skirt the COVID-19 public health rules by simply renting a home.
Police say the Airbnb renter is from New Jersey and once identified would be criminally prosecuted for violating public health laws and faces civil fines up to $15,000. This comes as Suffolk health officials reveal nearly 50% of those testing positive are refusing to cooperate with COVID tracing teams, hanging up or not answering the phone.
Overall, it's very irresponsible to not be cooperating.
They're afraid to lose their jobs.
Especially with my personal information. Not in these days.
I understand why, but it's very selfish. You have to save lives.
It's not about blaming or shaming. It's about keeping our numbers and our spread as low as we possibly can.
Are the tracers feeling overwhelmed?
We went from, 30 or 40 cases a day, and now we're up to 400 or 500 cases a day. So the workload has certainly increased.
Along with a trust crisis over misinformation and privacy fears as COVID continues to spread. On Long Island, Jennifer McLogan, CBS 2 News.
Suffolk County's positive numbers have surged above 5%, and Nassau County is just over 4%. Both counties have microclusters with higher percentages.